When it comes to Kolkata, one success story is hard to miss. It's a household name that's perhaps even more popular than Bata. With 50 years of understanding and living up to customer demand and about 600 stores across the country, here's the story of a company that is truly inspirational. With the advent of Bata, Kolkata developed as a major hub for skilled technicians who understood the footwear business. One early mover who spotted an opportunity in this skilled market was Khadims. Started in 1965 by Satya Prasad Roy Burman, Khadims started its operations in a small shop called KM Khadim and Company. Although the initial days were fraught with challenges, the company has been able to sail successfully through its 50-year journey. Today, Khadims is clocking a handsome revenue of 300 crore rupees a year with over 600 retail outlets across India, offering its customers a varied range of footwear that fits all feet and suits all pockets.
We are for the middle class, middle income group. That is the market size, main market volume in business in India. The market is gradually more growing up because for GDP growth, resultant income rise, resultant enhancement of lifestyle. So we are seeing this phenomenon happening out in not only in metros but tier 1, tier 2 cities across semi-urban markets where Khadim is strongly entrenched.
Khadims owes its prominent position in the footwear industry to its world-class manufacturing abilities, where its ultra-modern facilities are capable of producing up to 20,000 pairs of shoes every day. The company also has its own design studio where young designers and experienced artisans come together to create masterpieces day after day. Khadims also has a strong distribution arm that makes sure that all its stores are always well stocked.
So as of now, we, as I said, this year we have clocked a turnover around 300 crores. This has been backed up by about 600 retail outlets all over across 21 states with 4.5 lakh square feet of retail space. Backed up by distribution centers. We have a central distribution center 1 lakh square feet in Calcutta Leather Complex only in Bantala. In terms of human, we have around 1,600 of them employed, 1,600. We have a manufacturing unit in Calcutta, which we are churning out around itself around 15,000-20,000 pairs of footwear every day, has that kind of capacity. We'll be adding on capacity this year. We are going to open one Hawaii footwear, Hawaii Chappal manufacturing plant. This year it will be operational.
Despite the presence of other well-established local leather brands like Sri Leathers that have grown out of Kolkata, Khadim's story has been nothing short of miraculous. Today it is the third largest footwear retailer in India and by far the leading shoe retailer in the East.
It's very trusted brand. In fact, in 2011 there is a brand trust report. Khadim has been selected as the third most trusted footwear brand in India. So we are dotted. We are dotted out across metros, mini metros, tier 1, tier 2 cities, and your semi-urban markets, and even through distribution chain we are reaching out to rural market.
Despite its tremendous endeavors in the footwear market, Khadim's journey has been ridden with ups and downs. The company had to face a huge loss when it tried to enter the complete lifestyle retail venture in 2007. But the management has drawn its own lessons and learnings from the challenges it faced.
So when the hype around multi-product large format departmental store came into in India in 2006, 4, 5, 6 or something like that, we thought why not? We're into footwear, so we can do. So there we went wrong. Now we understand on the hindsight that collectively we made that mistake based on that hype. We lost a lot of money on that. But this is the beauty of Khadim's. We can understand where we have gone wrong. And very quickly we came out of it.
Khadim's key strength lies in its core values and the purpose that it stands by. What continues to drive its success is the simple fact that it does not believe in resting on past glory, but continuously strives for a better tomorrow. A foresight, sharp business acumen, customer-first philosophy and a deep insight of the market, these are what make Khadims a leading player in the footwear industry. With the ever-increasing demands of leather goods in European countries, the leather exports from India have recorded a massive $3.7 billion in 2010-2011, claiming an 11.6% growth. The share of Kolkata leather industries is almost 17% of that, and the overall leather exports from India are expected to touch $8.2 billion by 2013-2014.